Your honor phone can be turned off in several ways. Right now, I'd show you the simplest method, the classic one using the buttons. I won't show the button-free method, as it's a bit longer, and you probably don't want to spend another minute on it. Explicamos cómo hacerlo.